Well, today I'm enjoying some absolutely delicious turmeric falafels. Now, the thing about turmeric, I've used fresh turmeric in these. A lot of my recipes I'll use dried turmeric. It depends what you have available to you. It's actually a lot easier these days to go and find fresh turmeric in a store or a health food shop, a supermarket. So just see what you can do. The thing about turmeric is it has incredible health benefits to it. And I've actually written an article, and I'll leave a link for that, all about myriad of different health benefits that turmeric have. One of the important things that I need to share with you about turmeric is that if you eat black pepper with your turmeric, then it increases the bioavailability of the beneficial nutrients by a massive amount, so that you can absorb and assimilate them into your body. So it's actually quite important to include black pepper with your recipe if you're going to add turmeric. And the other thing is that turmeric is a fat-soluble food. So that basically, in simple terms, means that it dissolves in fat. So you want to make sure that when you're having turmeric, you're having some sort of fat, like almond, or like if you have a turmeric milky drink, almond milk, nut milk, seed milk. So if you're having it in another way, add avocado, add nuts, add seeds, just something fatty, and that will help it absorb. And the other thing I've read, and I've just linked to this in the article that I've written as well, apparently if you heat your turmeric up and cook it, it actually increases the bioavailability of the nutrients up to about 12%. So it has been shown to be a bit more beneficial if you actually cook your turmeric. Anyway, so today I have been making these delicious turmeric falafels. I've baked them. You can also grill them, put them under the broiler, as you call it in the USA, and they're super healthy, very easy, simple ingredients. So today I'm just gonna give you a quick demo on how I made it and show you how easy they are to make. Yum, yum, yum. Very falafel-y. You have that classic falafel taste with a nice dance of flavors and a nice yellow infusion of turmeric. If you can't get fresh turmeric, just add a bit of dried instead, maybe a bit less. You don't need to add so much because it's quite strong and powerful. Add a tahini sauce with it, and I'll leave a link to my tahini sauce recipe. Enjoy. I hope that this inspires you to play and dance and explore in your own kitchen. If you like what you see here, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and come visit my website, kindearth.net. And I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.